What's going on, guys? Car Exclusive again with another video for you guys. I'm inside the garage. It's too windy out there. It's 63 degrees, but it's windy. Like, you probably won't hear noises out here, so don't get scared. We'll be fine. So today, on today's video, we're going to be tinting this part of the car. So this video is actually going to be kind of different. I need you guys, please, if you like it, once I'm done, give me a like. If you don't like it, give me the thumbs down or leave a comment. It doesn't matter. If you guys don't like it, I'm gonna remove them, okay? I'm not sure if I'm gonna like it or not, but I want your opinion on whatever you guys decide. That's what I'm gonna do. I'll either keep them or I'll get rid of them. So don't mind the car is dirty. So yesterday, all these days it's been raining. My wife been taking the car on different trips. I'm going to work and it's like 40 minutes away, so the car is I've never seen it this dirty, guys. So I am gonna back it up on my driveway once I'm done in the garage. And I'm going to give it a nice car wash. I'll probably do it in here. So it all depends, you know what I mean? Because it's kind of windy and it's chilly. But yeah, if you're new to the channel, subscribe. We're always doing something to the car. At least weekly, we're trying to do something different to this car. So subscribe. Turn on your notification bell. Sorry that I'm leaning, but I got the tripod kind of low. And because I want to focus on this area. And if you have Instagram, follow me on Car Exclusive 35. Send me pictures of your car. It doesn't have to be a Honda Accord 2.0 or 1.5. It could be any car that you love, that you have, and I could just give you a shout out on the channel. If you have a YouTube channel also, leave a comment, I'll give you a shout out if you're trying to grow. I want all you guys to do YouTube. This is fun, and it makes you, it motivates you to do stuff to your car so you can create content for people. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you what you need real quick, and then we're going to get to it. So thanks for watching. So guys, this is what you're going to need. That's your squeeze key and knife, because you're going to have to cut once you put the film on it. I bought these off of eBay. They're not that expensive, $15 I think with free shipping. So, and then you need a bottle. I'm just going to use water. Some people use soap with it. But I do have soap, but I'm just going to do it with water. See how it comes out. Please keep in mind, I never did this before. It's the first time. My videos are to show you the struggles that we have, like first time we're doing upgrades to our cars. I try to pay someone to do these for me. Just these two spots, the guy wanted $50. I'm like, $50? I'll do it myself, man. Forget that crap. Because I like working on cars regardless, so I ain't going to pay no $50. So stay tuned. I'm going to put the tripod down and we're going to get started, guys. So remember to vote. Sorry, guys, I almost forgot. You also need some heat. Get a blower. So let's start with this real quick. This comes with instructions, MMP custom vinyls from eBay. So this is what you get. There goes the wifey. This is what you get, guys, in the mail when you order this. So that's what we got. So I already took care of cleaning this. I didn't record it, but I did clean this. I used Windex and microfiber. So that's done. So the first thing you're gonna do, you know what? Let me open this first. Have everything ready. Remember, I never did this. Don't bash me in the comment section, guys. Be nice to me. So I got this to remove the bubbles, and then you're gonna cut the film with this. $10. All this, and $10 is $25. The whole thing is gonna cost you roughly $25. So these are trash. So got this. We're gonna spray water. This one first, the bigger one. So I spray water in here. It comes with instructions too, so you don't have to worry. I just gotta figure out which one is which one now. So this one's the one that goes here. So put it off. It says to put water on this side too, so I'm gonna do it. Very, very wet. That's it right there. Try not to touch it as much as you can. Alright. Not too far. So get that corner and get that corner and I'll be set. see. That's too tight. Let's redo it again. I have a problem too, guys. You gotta make sure it's so straight. Okay. Let's see what I gotta do here. Alright, there you go. I got the first one done, taking out all the little bubbles. So that's it. So I'll show you guys right now. Alright, I have a bubble here. Take it out. Alright, that's good. Now I'm going to do this side so we can put the heat on it. This side. Water, mucha agua. Then I will do the cut, and then I'm going to do the heat. And then this side is going to be the same thing. I like bringing it together with this. I got this one here. It's going too crooked. Just remove it. Alright guys, so there you have it. Let's put the lid on it. Alright guys, so let me let it cool down a little bit so I can take these bubbles out. I have a couple bubbles here. So I'm gonna go work on this side while this side is completely, so I think it's kinda I heated it too much. So we'll let it, suck in all the air and with the heat and all that, and maybe I got a couple bubbles in here, then I'll take those out. So let's go to the next one. Let me pause this video. So this one I'm gonna do closer for you guys so you can see it. I'm gonna do this one first. So you can send me a little sticker so you can put it on your car. Free advertisement for them. So take it out. Put some water on it. Stay to the end of the video, see how it comes out. I think I got a feeling I messed up that other side. Hey, but it's alright if I did. This is just practice, you know what I mean? And I haven't cut the edges yet. That doesn't matter. I have to do that last. So here you want to get it in here. So see how it's the shape of it? This corner you have to get it all the way up here. I don't want to have too much water in here. That's probably what I did wrong over there. It's got to be wet. Because I already have water on the tint too. Yeah, once you get it in that corner, I'm gonna line it up. See how it fits perfectly? They did a good job cutting this. That I can tell you for sure. Yeah. Maybe I don't have to heat it up like I just did with the other one. I don't know. It says to heat it up. So this one I'm doing like a close-up for you guys so you guys can see it. Don't forget to subscribe. You know what? I'm gonna cut this one here. See how, since I'm so close, so you guys can see it. I'm a lefty though, that's the problem. So I might have to come on this side. I'm sorry about that. Alright, so. There you have it. Then this little corner here, I'm gonna try to just. That's perfect. See, that looks good. That looks good. I don't even think you have to hit these up, guys, to be honest. So far, looking good. Hold on. Let's take this water out. Check it out, guys. Close up. See this here? Is the tint moving? Maybe you gotta heat it up. It sounded like it was loose somewhere. Yeah, there's still water in it. Alright, let's continue, guys. Like I said, I don't know what the heck I'm doing. So stay tuned for the disaster that Car Exclusive is doing to his car. Let's continue. Sorry if this video is too long. I'm gonna spread the water because this is not a big window or anything like that. Last piece of work. Alrighty, same thing, guys. So you can't see me, but I'm trying to show you this here. So you can see more closer how I get it in there. Oh, this one has a little. The corner's kind of bent, but still fine. So try to get it to the end. It's not straight. You can feel it because the film starts to bend. So take it back out and do it again. So I'll get this in. Still not straight. Still not straight, guys. Now it's kind of straight. Is it kind of, or is it straight? It's straight. I mean, I think a little bit here, but I'm not gonna worry about that too much. I can tell right here. This is off here. The wind, see? Yeah, it's too low. Oh, I gotta take it out one more time. Definitely don't have it right. Gotta put a little bit more water on it. Spray it out. I don't know if they cut this one wrong or what, but let me see. Can't get this one on here, guys. I want to blame them because I know I don't got the skills to do this, but damn, I keep trying though. Keep it exclusive with you guys, you know? Show you all the troubles that we actually go through doing these things. Working on a car. These are the things that you will run into if you try to do your projects, you know? And my mission is to show you, so that way, if you do buy this product, which I'm not telling you to buy it, but I'm showing you how it works, how I do my own installations and stuff. Now I got it in there good. So let it sit. And then we're gonna do the heat. And then we're gonna cut it. See how the other side's looking, guys. Let's take you over there. I still got a couple bubbles on here. See that? Whoa, that's a lot of bubbles. So stay tuned. Now I'm just gonna work on getting the bubbles off. I already showed you guys how to do everything. I'm gonna work on that and then I'll show you the end of the video. Alright guys, so it's done. Well, I think it has to dry up a little bit more, but look how they look. Once you put the heat on them, they shrink or something. I don't know. I mean, there's still water in there and I've been trying to take these bubbles out, but I'm just trying to keep it exclusive with you guys. They're not coming out, so I think I have to let them sit for a while so they could get dry and then come back. I don't know. I will let you guys know in another video. So this is how this one looks. This one I have a big bubble right here. I might wait a little bit and then once it dries up I might just remove the film and do it again, and probably I can. So, but other than that, it's not like a big upgrade. I mean, it's cheap. I mean, if you guys like it, let me know. That's how the car looks from behind now. But in my honest opinion, I'll probably be removing these. If it doesn't dry out very good and I still got those bubbles, I will remove them. I don't want nothing in the car looking bad. So, but other than that, guys, give me a thumbs up for this video. Leave a comment below if you like it. If not, give me the vote. Thumbs up, remember, means keep them. Thumbs down means remove them. So stay tuned for more videos. Car reviews are coming. Got a couple cars. Got a couple Camaros. Got a couple things coming up. A couple races. So stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button for more videos. Go watch my other videos. There's a bunch of videos on this car. So thanks for watching, guys. Oh, and I have something big coming. So stay tuned. You don't want to miss it. and it's going to be involved with PRL Motorsports. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay exclusive.